Greetings to the Manosphere community. In my relentless pursuit of knowledge, I recently came across a thought-provoking TikTok video. This brief clip sparked a profound journey of research, unveiling a realization that men, perhaps unbeknownst to many, face a myriad of challenges within the intricate tapestry of our societal structures. Today's video is crafted with the intent to equip you with knowledge, empowering you to navigate the complexities of a system that, at times, seems less than favorable. Join me on this enlightening exploration as we delve into the nuances of a family system that, as I discovered, holds intricacies that merit our attention and understanding. Here's to fostering awareness and arming ourselves with the insights necessary to navigate the complexities of our world. Welcome, and let's embark on this journey together.
How you guys doing? My name is William Martinez. I've been fighting for 2 years to end the divorce. I finally gave my ex-wife, full custody of my kids because it was going nowhere. This whole system is corrupt. They just basically want to take all your money. This girl took everything. She took my property, which I worked hard for my family. She never worked a day in her life. All I can say is the system is corrupt, guys. Look up Silver Bullet Divorce. That's basically the plan that's set in place to destroy men. Be careful, follow the movement, follow Speak Up, and please don't let this happen to you. I mean, I just gave up. I just want this to be done. I wish I had my kids in my life. I love my kids to death, but I see that the system is corrupt and we can't do nothing about it. That's it. Hopefully, maybe we get new people in Congress and maybe they can make a change. But as of right now, it's a corrupt system that we can't defeat. Women have, they just have the power, and we can't do nothing about it. Father, speak up.
Thank you, my brother.
Is the divorce system fair, or does it sometimes serve as a weapon wielded by one party against the other? Today we're going to delve into a fascinating phenomenon known as the silver bullet divorce. A concept that, while it might sound like something out of a fantasy novel, is very much a reality in the world of family law. Picture this. Luigi Deruba, a man embroiled in a contentious divorce, is suddenly hit with allegations of spousal and child abuse. These charges, whether true or not, immediately shift the balance of power. This, dear listeners, is a silver bullet divorce in action. The term silver bullet divorce might evoke images of werewolves and folklore, but it's a term that has a very real and devastating impact on lives. In its essence, it involves one party in a divorce filing false spousal or child abuse claims against the other. The purpose? To gain leverage, to seize control. Ironically, this strategy doesn't require silver bullets, crosses, or garlic to execute. Just a simple protection from abuse (PFA) claim. Domestic violence is a grave issue, and it's important to acknowledge that many of these cases are genuine. However, the low standard of evidence required for PFAs has led to a system susceptible to exploitation. Take the example of Assistant District Attorney Leslie Levy from Williamson County, Texas. She held a seminar teaching family law attorneys how to employ PFAs to gain an advantage for their clients in divorce cases. It's a clear illustration of how this low standard of evidence is being taught and propagated within the legal community. Assistant DA Levy even shared how she successfully had a man removed from his own house due to its proximity to his wife's residence. The constable's concerns were dismissed with a shrug. It was up to the man whether he wanted to violate the protective order or not. This isn't just about one case or one seminar. It's about a system that's being manipulated, a system that's failing those it's meant to protect. It's about a trend where false claims are being used as a negotiating tool, not as a means of protection from genuine abuse. We must remember, domestic violence is a real pervasive issue that needs addressing. But equally, we must ensure that the laws in place to protect victims are not weaponized to destroy families and children without substantial evidence. So what can we do? Advocate. Stand up for a higher standard of evidence in abuse claims, demand fairness, demand justice, demand change, because no one should be a victim of a silver bullet divorce.
One day when I returned home from work, I found that my house was empty of furniture and clothes, my family was gone, my dog was gone, our bank accounts were emptied of tens of thousands of dollars. My wife had run away without any warning or explanation, and like Kevin McAllister's experience in the movie Home Alone, my family simply disappeared. She hasn't spoken to me since, but after years of fighting in court and through state agencies, I now have my children every other week, and while everything may look okay now, it did not come easy. Despite having taken all of our money, I learned that my wife was using a legal aid service funded by public and private grants to zealously represent her while attempting to steal away my entire life, and made multiple attempts to restrain me from my own children and my home. There was no domestic violence. My point is that services paid for with our tax dollars were weaponized against me, and in my story, this was only the beginning. Also worth mentioning, the legislation that one thinks would protect people from false allegations of domestic violence, the supposed third-degree felony, is completely unenforceable, leaving the targeted parent to defend himself from the indefensible, blindsided, without similar legal support from public grants, and immediately assumed to be guilty before proven innocent. Today, I'm an advocate. I've experienced firsthand how unwilling the family law system is to demonstrate flexibility, schedule timely hearings, enforce orders, return phone calls, or otherwise share communication to share agency policies, and to seek clarity or correct misunderstandings. It is now a world in which, to these agencies, a family is worth more financially in conflict than in harmony.